guys, in today's video I'm showing you how I get these really tight defined ringlet curls. This is a really easy and cute hairstyle to have whenever you want something that'll last a couple days. I will link everything in the description box below in case any of you want to purchase anything that I mentioned throughout this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell if you want to know whenever I upload beauty related videos, and let's get started. I like using this Hot Shot Tools 1/2" curling iron. I have the setting set to 380 degrees. I never go to the hottest setting just because I feel like that's horrible for your hair. Before I go in with my curling iron, I'm going to section off my hair so that it's easier to curl. It just goes faster that way for me. So I'm going to use this little scrunchie. Actually, I think I stole this from my mom. Sorry, Mom. I always go in with a heat protectant before I start curling my hair. So I'm going to go ahead and apply this to my hair. Rubbing that in really good. I'm going to go ahead and brush it out with my hair so that every strand is covered with that heat protectant. Take a pretty good chunk of hair and just open the barrel and wrap it around. And I just hold it for a couple seconds. And that is what you get. Once again, taking a pretty big chunk of hair. I don't do little strands, I do big chunks. Wrap it around the barrel, leave a little bit on the end. On the front, as soon as it's done, I like to pull the curl down a little bit so that I get a little bit of longer strands in the front so that I have a little bit more of that bob shape to my hair. All right, and now I'm going to work on this section, get this part curled. I've let the curls set for a couple minutes, and I'm going to go ahead and go in with this Moroccan oil dry texture spray. This does a really good job of holding my hair in place, and I only have a little sample size, but I plan on buying the full size sometime in the future. And this smells amazing too. And since I already have a lot of texture in my hair, it really just captures all that texture and makes it really hold for a while and last a couple days. This type of hairstyle lasts like 3 to 4 days on me if I keep up with the dry shampoo. I'm ready to go in and curl the top section of my hair. This is the fun part for me because this is where I get where I want the curls to be placed exactly. So you'll see as I curl it, I have a colic on this side and it likes to section off like that, and it's really annoying. So I like to get as much hair on this side as I can. So yeah, that looks about right. I'm gonna go for this part today. I make sure to really coat the front of my hair because that just tends to be the section that really takes the heat harshly. So I really like to make sure that it's very well protected in the front. So once again, I'm not using the clamp, I'm just wrapping it around the barrel. So you can see like the top section definitely is going to have more curl than the bottom, but that is how I like it. All right, so now that I've gotten my crazy curls here, I like to go around and make sure that I didn't miss any. So like this one right here looks like I missed one. So I'm gonna go ahead and curl this one. I just go around and kind of spot check for any that I might have missed. After I've curled my hair like this, I never use a brush like this on my hair because otherwise it will look like you stuck your hand in a electric socket. Once again, I have let the curls set for a couple minutes, and now I'm going to go in with an oil before I use my texture spray. This just puts a little bit of that moisture back in so that it looks a little shiny and a little bit more healthy. And it'll be like voluminous like this the first day that you wear it, but the second day the curls are much more loose and a lot more wavy than like a tight curl. So actually the second day of this hairstyle is my favorite, but I like this. I like to go in with my Kevin Morphe Shimmer Me Blonde Treatment Shine Spray. This is a really great product. I've been using this for a while now and I've been really liking it. It tones my hair. It has little sparkles in there that makes it look like it's shiny, and it's also a repairing treatment. It's also cruelty free, has a lot of really great ingredients in it, and I love using this because I have noticed a difference in my hair. It's softer, it's more toned, and it has a little bit of shine that just, you know, adds to your hairstyle. So I'm gonna go ahead and spray this on. It has a really great scent too. So this is going to add a little bit of that shine to the curls. So now that I've put in some repairing treatments into my hair, I'm going to go ahead and set it with the texture spray. We are very voluminous today. But anyway, guys, that is how I get my really cute tight curls that I have been loving. I have been loving having short hair because I'm gonna have so many fun hairstyles like this. I've been wearing this quite a bit in some of my videos and you guys all love it. So I just decided to give you guys a tutorial on how I actually get this look, so that in case, you know, any of you have short hair and you want to try this out, even if you have long hair, try it out. I actually first found out how to do this by watching one of Zoella's videos, so I'll link that down below so that you can see where I got my inspiration for this. But I think I do use this a lot. I wear it a lot because it can last for a couple days and it's really easy to take care of. So once you take the time to actually do the hairstyle, it's so carefree. Like all you have to do is spray a little bit of dry shampoo in your hair and you are good to go. So yeah, this lasts about 3 to 4 days on me before I have to try something else, do a different hairstyle. So yeah, I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video and I will see you soon. Bye.